Welcome everyone. In this video, we will explore the neuroscience behind cold showers and how our brain and body responds when we take cold shower. Let's start with what happens when we first step into that icy stream. Your body goes into shock, right? That's not your imagination. It's your nervous system response. So when that cold water hits your skin, it's like a sending off a bunch of tiny alarms all over your body. These alarms are actually cold receptors in your skin, and they are sending signal to your brain saying, hey, it's freezing out there. Now your brain does not just sit there and ignore these signals. It springs into action and responding to a distress call. The first thing it does is activate your sympathetic nervous system. This is the part of your nervous system that's responsible for your fight or flight response. When this system gets activated, it causes a whole cascade of reaction in your body. Your heart rate increases, your breath gets faster, and your blood vessels constricted. This initial shock to your system actually has some pretty amazing effect on your brain chemistry. When you expose yourself to cold water, your brain starts pumping out some feel-good chemical, which is norepinephrine. It makes you feel more alert and focused. Then there is dopamine, often called reward chemical. It's the same stuff that gets released when you eat chocolate or fall in love. Cold shower can give you a nice little dopamine boost, which is why some people say they feel happier after cold shower. But cold showers also increase the release of endorphin. These are your body natural painkiller and mood activator. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but why would I want to shock my system like that? Well, it turned out that these kinds of controlled stress can actually be good for you. It's a concept called hormesis, which is basically the idea that little bit of stress can make you stronger. Think of it like exercise for your nervous system. When you work out, you are putting stress on your muscles, right? But over time, that stress makes your muscles stronger. The same thing happens with the cold shower. That initial shock to your system actually helps your body become more resilient over time. One of the nice effects of cold shower is how they can impact your mood and mental health. Studies have shown that the regular cold water showers can help alleviate symptoms of depression. It's thought that the cold water triggers electrical impulses from the peripheral nervous ending to the brain, which could have an antidepressive effect. But it's not just about the depression. Cold shower can also help with anxiety and stress. When you expose yourself to cold water, it activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This is the part of nervous system responsible for rest and digest function. It helps calm you down and reduce stress. Now let's talk about the attention and focus. You know how sometimes you feel foggy and can't concentrate? A cold shower might be just what you need. The shock of cold water can increase your level of norepinephrine, which, as we mentioned earlier, help with the alertness and focus. It's like a cup of coffee but without the caffeine. But the benefit don't stop there. Cold shower can also help with the sleep. I know it sounds counterintuitive. You think that the soaking your system would keep you awake, right? But actually, taking a cold shower before bed can help regulate your body temperature and prepare you for sleep. It's all about the timing though. You want to take that cold shower about an hour before bed to give your body time to warm up again. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into science. When you take cold shower, it's not just your nervous system that's affected, your immune system gets boosted too. So cold water can increase the production of white blood cells, which are your body defense against diseases. There is also some evidence that the cold shower can help with the weight loss. When you are exposed to cold, your body has worked harder to maintain its core temperature. This process called thermogenesis burn calories. It's not going to replace your workout routine, but hey, every little bit helps, right? Now let's talk about something called brown fat. No, it's not a new type of chocolate. Brown fat is a special type of body fat that get activated when you are cold. Unlike regular fat which store calories, brown fat burn calories to generate heat. Cold water can activate this brown fat, potentially boosting your metabolism. But let's get back to the brain again. There is some evidence that the cold waters might help with a certain neurological condition. For example, some studies have shown that the cold therapy can help reduce the frequency and intensity of the migraines. It's thought that the cold help constrict blood vessels, which can reduce pain. Now I know we have been talking a lot about the benefit, but it's important to note that cold showers are not for everyone. If you have certain health conditions like heart problem or high blood pressure, you should definitely talk to your doctor before trying cold shower. And if you are pregnant or have just had surgery, it's probably best to stick with warm shower for now. But for most people, cold showers are a safe and easy way to boost your physical and mental health. And the best part, you don't need any special equipment or a gym membership. All you need to a shower. So it's pretty amazing how something as simple as changing the temperature of your shower can have such profound effect on your brain and body. From boosting your mood to improving your focus, from reducing inflammation to increasing your resilience to stress, cold showers are like a secret weapon for your health. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.